Hello and welcome. Would you like to use this kind of effect in your video? Let me show you how it's done. First I'm gonna add a background image and stretch it a little. So we want to place a video in there. Now I'm gonna put the video on top on another layer. Let me stretch this a little more. If we hide this video, we can see the background is still behind it. So to stretch this clip, we're gonna use the corners effect. It's in the distort category. So we're just gonna drag corners on this clip. And here are the settings. So first I'm gonna set the keyframe at which this is supposed to look like this. And what I want is, I want the image to start with the screen, with the video in the screen, and then I want it to zoom to the whole size of the video. So I'm gonna go to the very end, over here, and I'm gonna set a keyframe here. Then I'm gonna go to the beginning, and now I can drag these corners in a way that the video starts being placed on the screen in the image. Here we are, one more corner. Alright. We can see by this minus that a keyframe already exists, so it should already be working. Let's play this back to test. Alright, we can see it works. If we want this image to stay the way it is for a few seconds, we can also just delete this keyframe, go to the timeline, set another keyframe. So between these two keyframes, this will stay the same. And now we can go to the end, add a new keyframe and fix up the values. We're gonna drag them approximately. Unfortunately, the reset function doesn't work properly, so we have to do it manually in this case. So we're gonna set this to 2000, 2000. I'm using the tab key to jump between values. There we go, no problem at all. What I also want to do is to set this to smooth. I'm just gonna go through all of them. And now we're gonna play this back again. This is very laggy in kdenlive preview, but if we actually do this and render it, it will be smooth. Okay, so we can see this is not what we wanted. Let me just go back, set this one to linear. Let's try this again. Alright, there we go, so there's no easing this time. And it starts. Alright, wonderful. Alright, the only thing left to do is to render this. And there we are. Interestingly enough, MP4 is much faster to render. I hope this helped. Give this video a like and subscribe to support this channel. Ask any questions in the comments and I hope to see you next time. Ciao!